This winter has brought the largest amount of snowfall that the Waterloo region has seen in 30 to 40 years, and this could mean an extremely wet spring. This spring, we're looking to face the worst floods since 1974, when the water levels were almost as tall as me. This season, there has been 160 centimeters of snowfall, with 37 of those in December alone. The potential for flooding of the rivers in the KW region could be disastrous, but it all depends on how the melting occurs. Dave Schultz, who is the communications manager of the Grand River Conservation Authority, explains.
A lot will depend on how the melt takes place. If we have a long, slow melt, we could avoid some of the worst kinds of flooding, but if we get a sudden melt, like warm temperatures, and particularly if we get some rain, and we see a lot of that snow and ice starting to melt all at once, then we could be in for a very busy and very active flooding season.
The Conservation Authority is constantly tracking the amount of snow on the ground and where the ice jams in the rivers are located. Even small-scale flooding can cause problems for local residents. Mike Blumberg owns a farm in Cambridge. He describes some of the potential costs he will be facing as the snow begins to melt.
The major concerns that we have are the elevation of our band barn and the water rolling into the stalls, wrecking screenings underneath the mats and ruining hundreds of dollars of shavings that we're putting down every day for the horses.
Municipalities are hoping for a slow thaw so the flooding is manageable. For Spoke TV, I'm Brittany Mifsud.